for the last 3 years, nag-stop kami kasi nga because of pandemic. Pero now we're back. And we're gonna get to see all our clients once a year.
Yeah, let's do that.
Diba? Should we do bingo next year?
Tagal yun eh.
Oo nga, matagal.
Matagal yun eh. Tama ni natin, yung drawing natin, tsaka mga palaro. Bakit ngayon ka lang kumanta? Sabi sa huli na. Bakit ngayon lang kaming kumanta? Huli na. Pasara na. Kumanta sila.
Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is
Alvin Reyes with Supreme Lending.
And welcome to the episode 42 of
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate. Hey.
Hello Alvin.
Hello.
Welcome back. The
Thank you.
Balikbayan.
Di naman balikbayan.
Di ba umuwi ka ng Pilipinas
pero
a few days ago?
5 days lang kasi yun eh. Kasal lang kaibigan ko.
Ang bilis naman, ginagawa mo lang Quiapo ang Pilipinas.
Hindi naman, walang choice kasi talaga nakapangako ako. Pero tignan yun, umitim, tas ang dami kagat ng lamok.
Oo nga. Umitim ka.
Sobra, syempre naman.
Sobrang init ba? How's the Philippines?
Kasi kinasal sila sa Palawan.
Oh, nice.
So dun sa El Nido. So I was hot. Alam niyo naman itong season na to ang mainit doon, pinakamainit. So
okay, so how was it?
It was beautiful. I had a great time as well. A few of my friends came as long, yung band members ko rin.
Okay.
So it was nice. It was very I just wish na mayroon pang mas mahaba ng konti, pero I had to be.
Is it a big wedding? Ano ka ba? Groomsmen ka ba doon? Ano ba?
Kind of like a semi ng konti, semi-grooms. Pero, yeah, it was a huge wedding, beautiful wedding.
How many people they had?
Konti lang, mga 50-60.
Oh, okay. Intimate wedding.
Intimate wedding lang, pero it was beautiful sa Sadili yung ginawa. So, it was a beautiful hotel, by the way, in El Nido.
So, saan yung reception nila?
Doon nga, Sadili yung tinatawag na hotel. One of the best, yeah. So, by the way, Sadili guys, all the people there, thank you for your accommodations. Napakabait mga tao.
May napapansin ka ba?
Ano yun?
Tingnan mo, nasa new location tayo ngayon.
Nakita ko nga.
Tingnan mo kung ano yung nasa likod natin.
Oo nga.
We're actually, this is just a temporary setup.
Yeah.
Kasi ginagawa pa yung banner namin ng Bahay Pinoy sa Tate.
Tama. Yes. Ginagawa pa, pinapagawa natin. Darating na soon. Anyway, ang ganda nga eh. Gusto ko siya.
Yes.
Ang daming lights.
Oo nga,
diba?
Do you think there's a lot of lights?
Lahat.
I think we need more lights, really.
Yeah. So, kasi sa kabila parang medyo
madilim.
Madilim. Pero I love this kasi I love lights. Like me sa opisina ko sa Walnut Creek. Pagpasok mo talagang ilaw agad, parang gising ka agad.
Yes, maganda yung maaliwalas.
Maaliwalas ka agad.
So anyway, may pag-uusapan tayo.
Oo nga.
Kasi yung last event natin.
Ang sarap. Maraming nabitin
Oo nga. So for all of you, actually we invited all our past clients and all of the clients of the Velasco team and the clients of all the agents. That was held sa Tilted Mash, yung client appreciation event namin last May 4th. And it was kind of tiring kasi ang tagal from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. We were there for 7 hours.
Pero hindi mo na-feel yun.
Oo nga,
because people are having a great time and they're there, staying.
Exactly.
Diba?
I was really surprised yung mga tao nandun pa until 9:30 p.m.
Oo nga.
Kung hindi pa natin sinabi na, uwian na, patapos na, ayaw pa umuwi.
Magkakaroon na kami ng extra charge dito. Pero yun na nangyari, di ba? From the beginning to the end, nakita natin yung mga tao, they stayed. And ang maganda rin kasi parang they've also had the great time. Ang dami kasing palaro. Grabe.
Hindi, parang siyang naging family day.
Correct.
I'm really surprised, Alvin. Ang daming bata.
Oo nga. Fun din. Fun.
Nag-enjoy sila sa dun sa mga games, sa mga pambata, yung snow cones.
Pati adults may game din yung adults
Oo nga. And then, you know what I really like about is yung band ninyo, yung Brenaway band. Talagang kayo ang parang star of the show doon,
Hindi naman.
Ang ganda nyo kasing tumugtog.
At saka it makes it fun lang kasi may live band. Tsaka may engage tayo sa mga kliyente, sa mga visitors, sa mga kliyente mo. They're also singing.
Oo nga, game
Game
sila. Lalo na yung karaoke contest.
Nakakatuwa.
Alam mo, ang gagaling ng mga contestant. I'm really surprised. Pati bata, bumabana.
Sobra, oo.
Diba?
I think that's one of the main event din natin doon sa event mo is yung karaoke natin.
Yeah,
diba?
Hindi mo ba napapansin ng mga Pilipino? Ang gagaling kumanta.
Sobra magagaling talaga.
Sus Mario Joseph, I think part na ng kultura natin
talagang
yung karaoke,
talaga. Kung di ka nagka-karaoke, hindi ka Pilipino.
I know.
Diba? Parang ganun, diba?
Either magaling kumanta o magaling sumayaw.
Yeah, yun na yun. Oo.
Diba?
Tsaka yung pinaka-gusto kong game mo yung yung
alin ang pinaka-gusto?
Yung couples, yung mga yung
yung battle?
Hindi yung battles, yung maganda rin yan.
Yung question and answers.
Ang daming bumagsak na mga hindi alam yung date nila ng kasal, di ba? Meron ganun isa. Yung isa pa nga, sabi mo, nag-attend ka pa ng wedding nila.
Oo nga, hindi matandaan nung misis niya o nung mister niya kung aling date yun.
Ganun pala yun. Pagkatapos na parang, hindi. Anyway, that was fun.
It was a lot of fun. It really reveals a lot of things about couple, no? Minsan may sariling wedding nila, di nila matandaan kung anong date. Nakakatawa.
I thought that was very fun. Okay?
Yes.
Hindi ko alam kung sino nanalo, pero that was fun.
Hindi, sina Nancy at saka Eric Duro lang nanalo.
Nga pala sila Eric, no?
Paano ba naman? They've been married for 32
for
years.
Sure.
Mario.
So kayo, wag niyong kakalimutan, kailan kayo kinasal,
yes.
Favorite color,
yes.
Favorite food. Napakadali naman naman yun, di ba?
Sus Mario. Tawa ako ng tawa.
Or first kiss. Meron pang first kiss, di ba?
Oo nga, hindi nila matandaan ang first kiss
sobra
nila.
naman kasing naman mahirap na rin siguro yung first kiss. Ikaw, natatandaan ba yung first kiss mo?
Ay, di ko rin matandaan.
See? Ang hirap nga naman. Ako nga, di ko rin matandaan yung
Bakit, mo ba yung date? Kailangan mo matandaan yung date
mahirap nga naman yung questions na yun. Sobra namang hirap yun. But, at the end of the day,
yes.
Parang feel ko, hindi ko naramdaman yung oras, Elizabeth.
Ang bilis nga, 7 hours.
Parang walang nangyari, pero it's all fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Yeah.
I thought it was a very good one.
And then everybody had, they like it kasi every 30 minutes nagpaparaffle tayo.
Yeah.
Kaya maraming nanalo, di ba?
Yes, ang daming prizes, di ba?
Yes,
Tsaka I feel na parang nakikita ko rin kasi I'm watching everyone. They were drinking beer, of course.
Yes.
Unfortunately, dun sa deal sa beer, medyo nagkaroon tayo ng aberya doon. Pero it was fun seeing them getting tipsy.
Oo nga, yun nga.
Kasi everybody was grooving.
Kasalanan ni Charlie yan. Sabi ko kasi magpamigay ng beer tickets. Ayaw niya.
Okay lang yun.
Yeah,
okay lang yan.
Pero next year, ayan na, meron
na bang dates ulit?
Oo. Next year, May 2nd, 2025.
May 2nd, 2025.
So save the date ha, May 2nd. 2025 at the Tilted Mash in Elk Grove.
Remember, yung main prize was a 50 or 60-inch TV last, di ba?
65-inch
TV.
Talagang naghintay sila.
Next year, new car na yan, ha?
Ay, sis Mario, ikaw ang magdo-donate.
BYD, yung bagong 12,000. But anyway,
anong BYD?
Di ba merong ngayon, bagong electric car na sinosurpass nila yung Tesla daw sa
12,000 lang? Ang
BYD
mura naman.
made from China.
Wow.
Anyway, let's go back to the party event, di ba?
Sige.
So, the things that I love about that place, ang sarap din ng tacos.
Ay, nga, unlimited, di ba? May pork, may chicken, at saka merong steak.
And alam lahat ng mga ng mga kliyente mo. Kasi I see everybody was eating well and everybody was actually just really having fun.
Yes, nga. Pero sabi ni Charlie, next year daw gusto niya Filipino food.
Filipino food? Pwede rin.
Pwede rin, nga. Gusto niya magpalitsyon.
Ayun, lechon. Oo.
Di ba?
Siguro, pwede bang yun na lang ang sagot ko? That's yung band.
Ikaw naman. Ikaw ang band.
Ganun ba?
Ikaw ang drummer eh.
Pwede bang lechon na lang ang sagot ko sa ako na. Ano na natin, i-deal na natin yan.
I-deal na natin, May 2nd ha?
Ako sagot ko yung lechon, sagot mo yung banda. Okay.
Pero next year for sure, gagawa na tayo ng designated MC.
Yes, let's do that.
Oo, para tuloy-tuloy.
Diba? Sino ba maganda? Sino ba talaga magaling na MC natin?
Alam mo, si Eugene, magaling siya.
I love Eugene.
Oo,
small but terrible yun.
Tsaka magandang boses niya, diba?
Oo, medyo matining na. Ganun yun eh. Pero, again, one of the things that I love about your client appreciation natin is I saw everyone's having a great time.
Oo nga,
nasa
ang saya.
Photo booth, everybody was just,
nakakatawa yung photo booth. Nagpa-picture ka ba?
Oo, ganda. Ang galing din ng photo booth mo.
Oo nga, sila, actually,
sila. Anong pangalan nila? Sino sila?
Si Andrew at saka si Mia.
Andrew, good job guys. Good job. Ang galing.
Oo nga. At saka yung cupcakes, kliyente ko rin yun. Sila Ivy. Tsaka Mark RJ. Kasi tinatry kong tangkilikin yung mga kliyente ko rin. Kasi they give me business, so I wanna support their business as well.
And I'm sure next year this will, I believe it will be much more bigger, di ba? Kasi we have more clients.
Alam mo, kung hindi pa umulan that day, mas marami pang aattend.
Umulan ba?
Umulan in the morning, tumigil na lang ng mga 2 o'clock.
Binigay talaga sa atin, medyo malakas nga pala yung
umulan, di ba? Sabi mo, naku ate, bumabagyo.
By the way, guys, if you have any ideas for more games for next year, let us know.
Yeah, hindi.
Diba? Pero marami
next year, Papa, kasi yung mga kids, nag-enjoy sila dun sa hula hoop, doon sa trip to Jerusalem. So, magpapapinyata tayo next year.
Ayun, maganda yun.
Actually, yung pabitin
more
na lang.
More prizes than, may mga...
Dapat yung pabitin kasi Pilipinos tayo.
Ano mga laman ng pera din, mga coins, tali ako doon.
Mga ganun. Alam mo yung pabitin?
Alam ko yun.
Diba? Hindi natin gagawing pinyata, pabitin.
Pabitin na lang. Maganda rin yan sa mga bata.
O kaya magpatumbang preso tayo doon.
Pwede. Kasi may labas naman, di ba?
Oo nga, yun ang maganda doon sa place na yun. Merong indoor and outdoor.
Correct. It was a great venue actually. I like it.
Yeah, me too.
Nagustuhan ko siya. They have a small stage for the band. And then, and then there's also a nice area where everybody could put their, kids are running around. Parang ganda talaga.
Yes, nga. Enjoy na enjoy yung mga bata, di ba? So, I'm really glad for everyone that came to the client appreciation event. Katulad nga ng nasabi ko na, for the last 3 years, nag-stop kami kasi nga because of pandemic. Pero now we're back. And we're gonna get to see all our clients once a year.
Yeah, let's do that.
Diba? Kasi maganda yun kasi it's a good way to
connect, number one.
With them and appreciate them. At saka masaya. It's nice to party with them.
Tama naman. It's nice. Like I said, I've seen couple that kliyente natin, but at the end of the day, Elizabeth, I'm really seeing what you've done in your clients, di ba? Nakita ko kasi yung connection mo sa kanila parang
para ko na si mga kaibigan, kapatid.
Kitang-kita.
Masaya kasi nandun yung bonding ninyo when you were working transaction with them.
Dating I've been to client appreciation sa moment.
Kasi yung iba parang awkward, di ba?
Boring, man.
Boring ba?
Oo, boring.
Ay, ito talaga hindi boring. Talagang masaya.
Syempre.
Syempre, party ng Velasco team.
Yun na yun, Velasco team. And of course, give props sa mga team mo. They did a great job,
thank
right?
you, yes.
Vincent, Eugene,
Agent Marian,
Happy, Marian,
all of them.
Great job and
preparing and everybody.
Correct. Everybody was working. Everybody was
a teamwork.
Yeah, it was a teamwork. Yeah. Yun ang nakita ko nung pagdating ko. Uy, lahat nagtatrabaho for you guys, for all the clients.
Correct. That really tells you na, we work as a team.
Correct. Yun naman
and we could accomplish more as a team.
And we want to hear from you guys. Ano yung nagustuhan niyo sa party na yun? Right? If you could please comments to us or whatever.
Yes,
gusto namin malaman.
Maganda yung papremyo natin sa karaoke, cash prize.
No?
Di ba yung second place nakakuha ng $100 cash?
Oo nga. Tapos yung second.
Congratulations.
Sino ba?
Si anak ni Myla.
Si
RJ.
Galing nun Galing nun.
Tapos yung second prize, yung anak ni Marites.
Marites.
Ang ganda ng boses doon kasi kumanta siya sa banda.
Oo nga. Oo.
Diba ang ganda?
Ano kinanta niya yung Always Remember Me This Way. Always.
My God.
Galing.
I'm really like her voice. Okay. And then $200 yun.
$200.
Cash. And then our grand prize winner, yung bata. Ang ganda ng boses. Ang bata-bata pa. Ang ganda ng boses.
I think next year, this is going to be more big sa karaoke.
Hindi. So, for everyone, for next year, May 2nd, you have 1 year to practice.
Yun. Bigay nyo na.
So, make sure, i-practicein nyo na yung kakantahin ninyo. Pero this time, hindi na audience applause. We're actually gonna have 3 judges.
Yun. Kasi minsan
para maging fair. Kasi parang nagiging popularity contest.
Oy, kilala ko yan. Sige.
Yep. Diba? Pero at the end of the day, maganda naman talaga. Deserving naman yung mga nanalo
magagaling
talaga.
Naman talaga sila.
Nakakagulat yung talent ng mga bata.
Ang saya no. Nagustuhan ko yun.
Diba? Tapos at the end, di ba may sayawan?
Dancing, karaoke, what about dancing naman? Like a dance naman, di ba? Number. Kung sino pinakamagaling hindi, lang pero karaoke is fine.
Sabi ko nga sa team, next year, kailangan mag-prepare tayo ng dance number.
Kailangan meron kayo. Magbigay kayo ng entertain. Bigyan nyo naman sila ng mga pasabog.
Nga, yung parang surprise. Diba? So next year, yan ang gagawin na.
I love that. Get ready, Elizabeth Velasco team.
Yes, we have couple of dancers in the team, diba?
Yes,
Pero maganda yung ginawa mo every time na nagda-drum roll kapag merong raffle.
May drum roll. Makes it fun.
Diba? It's fun. It's really fun.
Ang gaganda ng mga prizes. Very fun talaga.
Should we do bingo next year?
Tagal yun eh.
Oo nga, matagal.
Matagal yun eh. Tama yung natin, yung drawing natin, tsaka mga palaro.
Oo nga, yes. We're gonna make it more fun. We'll probably incorporate newspaper dance.
Pwede yun?
Next year,
maganda yun. Para mas fun yun. Nakaka-excited na. So, sobrang excited na ako kasi, like I said, while I was even playing the drums, right? And I'm looking at the people, like, everyone is having fun. Okay ka lang dyan. May nakaalala sa'yo. Naalala ka ng kliyente mo.
Teka muna, kukuha lang akong tubig.
Anyway, yun ang ibig kong sabihin. I was watching everyone and I see everyone was having a good time.
Oo nga.
Ang saya nila. I'm very proud of you guys because you guys really, really prepped this party.
Yeah, we really put a lot of effort into it and planning. And yung cupcakes, nagustuhan mo?
Nagtugo nga ako. 5 strawberries.
Strawberry at saka yung chocolate tsaka yung red velvet.
Masarap.
Masarap kasi hindi siya masyadong matamis.
So next year, Filipino food ang team natin? Anong?
Yun ang gusto ng mister ko. Pwede. Sabi niya, next year naman, can we do sabi niya ganun, Filipino food.
Filipino food,
Okay, maybe we'll do a Filipino truck.
Pwede.
Na may barbecue at saka lechon or something.
Yun, yung sisig truck. Nag-rent ako dati,
like that.
Masarap din yung sisig truck eh. Yun ang inaano namin pagka namin sa bar.
Yeah. So, I mean, yung mga ibang, actually, nagpa-client appreciation event kami, different ways. Dati nun sa sinihan, yung premiere night ng Star Wars. Tsaka Aquaman.
Interesting.
Yes, And then we also did the park. Kaso sobrang init at tsaka matrabaho. Okay? So we tried to do all kinds of client appreciation. Pero itong pinaka-favorite ko kasi less work.
Tsaka remember, next year, natin yung beer, beer incentives natin.
Oo nga, may beer ticket na next year. Pero one per adult.
One per adult lang.
Yes, They have to be
everybody was
be 21.
Yes. They have to be 21.
Alam mo, nagustuhan ko yung ube beer nila.
Alam mo, hindi ko natikman yun.
Ay,
ube talaga?
Alam mo bang sila lang ang may ube beer in the world?
Gusto kong tikman yun. Halo-halo beer meron?
Guys, seriously.
Talaga meron?
No, okay. Ang owner ng Tilted Mash, Filipino siya. Pangalan niya si Jay. Okay? Pero born siya dito.
Okay.
So, ang ginawa niya, kasi he wanted to put, incorporate yung heritage niya sa brewery niya. Ginawa niya, siya mismo, ginawa niya yung ube beer.
Wow.
Ang sarap. Alam mo bang nagta-travel yung mga beer fanatics dito sa El Grove just to try the ube beer?
Alam mo, titikman ko yan mamaya. Pupunta ako dun eh.
Kapag di mo na try ang ube beer, you're missing out.
I wanna try it.
It's really good. Yung isang kliyente ko nga nakalima, kaya nalasing.
5?
Kasi it's really good.
Oo, talaga.
Yes, you should check it out. Yes. Ano bang ininom mo?
Ano eh?
IPA?
Ano ko ba yung in-order ni Boy Chin, yung gitarista namin. Pero I like it. I love, by the way, service was great and there's so much selection sa beer eh. Madami.
Kasi brewery nga siya.
Masarap siya. And hindi ko natikman yun, pero parang gold beer yung inano ko eh. Parang gold beer yung...
Well, I mean, for a lot of you that doesn't know, I mean, it's actually brewery here in Elk Grove, California. Tilted Mash. It's a really good venue. And I like it a lot.
Oo nga, parang nung pumunta nga ako, parang... Relax lang siya.
Walang problema sa parking. Yun nga lang.
Tsaka very open siya.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi siya parang hindi siya parang kulob.
Oo nga, may indoor-outdoor, high ceilings. Yun nga lang, medyo tago yung place.
Medyo tago. Hindi mo nga alam na may
may brewery.
May brewery doon eh.
Diba?
Yeah, pero kasi it's kind of like in an industrial area, parang ganun.
Oo nga, industrial area of Elk Grove, yes.
Pero, as soon as you get in there and go inside, it's a very nice open space talaga to have a nice beer, nice tacos, and sometimes I think they have bands there too.
No, they actually have bands every other Saturday.
Okay.
Dapat tumugtog kayo doon.
Tignan natin. Alam mo naman, for fun lang naman kasi kami.
Oo
tapos
nga.
Tayo dyan.
Oo nga, kasi malay
sa
mo.
mga private events lang talaga kami.
Private events.
Patulad yan, yung mga Elizabeth Velasco, client appreciation team, ganyan.
Ikaw naman, Elizabeth Velasco ka nung nag-host ka dun sa client appreciation, dapat Velasco team
nga. Yung ba, Velasco team mo? Velasco team.
Yes, there you go. You keep mentioning my name. I was like, okay.
But anyway, like I said, yung mga nakapunta, please let us know kung baga ba ano yung pinaka-paborito nyo in that event. What, your most like nung sa event na yun. And if there's any more ideas, let us know.
Yeah, and then maybe some people, I know it's like some of our clients are like out of town or maybe in the Bay Area. Make it a day na you guys will travel here in Elk Grove, and then pagkatapos yung pumunta sa party namin, tuloy na rin kayo sa Sky River Casino.
Grabe. Lasing na kayo na. Ready to ganda tayo nun. Anyway, I have an idea.
Anong idea
Siguro
mo?
we should have a team like a costume team, like 70s, kung sinong pinakamaganda mananalo, mga ganon. No? Okay,
pwede rin.
Pang ano lang yan, pang Halloween lang yan. Anyway, marami na masyado.
That's a good idea. Pero gusto ko yung games.
More games.
Yung games, di ba?
Gusto ko ng more games sa couples talaga. Natuwa ako sa couples. Ang daming grabe.
Ba't di mo kasi sinama yung misis mo?
Si misis kasi panggabi siya, nasa work siya. So, she works at
natutulog.
night. Oo, tutulog siya.
Oo nga, hindi kung sinama mo si misis, di sana sumama
di kami nanalo doon. Di kami nanalo. Alam ko lahat.
Sinabi mo yan, ha?
By the way, shout out kay A-Frame tsaka kay Samantha, yung kinasal sa Palawan, one of my best friends, one of my buddy.
Congratulations.
Great one. We'll talk about wedding stuff in the next episode. But thank you so much for inviting me. I had a great time. And more power to you guys.
Yes. God bless their marriage.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Okay. So ngayon, teka muna, gusto kitang matanong. Sa next year na event natin, diba?
Oo.
Kasi I know tumugtog tayo ng Filipino at saka yung anong pangalan nito? English songs, diba?
Bakit?
So yung guest, pwede ba silang mag-request ng song? Kaya ba ninyong tugtugin kahit anong kanta?
If all the top 40s, we normally knows it. Okay? Alam na. Pero syempre, yung iba, hindi natin alam. Pero why? I mean, did you wanna...
Hindi, kasi gusto kong yung gagawa tayo ng parang song request.
Yeah, oo.
Na ilalagay natin sa table kung ano yung gusto nila.
Yes, bigyan namin yung lineup namin and kung alam nila, whatever.
Oo
right?
nga.
Oo, pwede natin gawin yun.
Or
in advance, guys, kung meron kayong if you guys...
Hindi nyo kinanta yung huling Il Bimbo.
Ay, hindi nga eh.
Hinihintay ko yun eh.
Ay, hindi mo na-request eh.
Ayun nga kasi dapat si Vincent ang kakanta kasi umuwi na maaga.
Umuwi naman siya,
Uy, gusto ko pa naman yun. Pero gusto ko yung Pinoy ako Kumanta kami ni Charlie.
Tsaka kumanta ka ng huli. Bakit ngayon ka lang kumanta? Sabi sa huli na. Bakit ngayon lang kaming kumanta? Huli na. Pasara na, kumanta sila.
Pero
may record ba tayo doon?
Hindi ko alam.
Wala ba?
Hindi ko nga masundan yung second
Christina, kung meron tayong records doon, i-upload yan. Gusto makita ng mga tao yan.
I mean, papausap boses ko, hindi ako magaling kumanta eh.
Okay nga, husky yung dating ng boses mo eh. Husky. Pero magbibigay kayo ng dance number next year, ha?
Oo, talagang.
Gusto ko yung buong Velasco team.
Ikaw din.
Hindi na ako.
Gagawa ka rin ng dance number.
Nasa drums na ako. Bakit?
Hindi ko, teka muna, matanong kita. Nung kumakanta ako nung, ano ba yun, sa band, parang nabibingi ako.
Bakit?
Ang lakas kasi.
Malakas ba?
Hindi ba kayo nabibingi?
Hindi sanay na kami. Kasi you have to, para may konting live ang dating.
Hindi ba parang nakakabingi yun?
Hindi, sanay na kami.
Hindi ko pa naglalagay ng parang airpod.
Minsan, pag naglalagay.
Lalo na ikaw nandun ka sa drums, mas malakas yun.
Pero sanay na yung tenga ko. Mula nung bata ako, nag-drums na ako, yun.
Pero hindi ka nabibingi?
Hindi naman.
Hindi ka nagkaroon ng problem sa hearing?
Hindi naman. Malinaw pa rin naman ang pandinig ko. You know that drums, mula nung high school ako, na parang yun ang naging second job ko.
Teka muna, paano ka na, speaking of that, paano ka pala natuto mag-play ng drums?
Napilitan ako, kasi broke ako lagi. Gusto ko ng extra.
Teka muna, sino nagbigay ng drum set mo?
Ako talaga. Walang nagbigay. Talagang...
Sa Pilipinas pa yun o dito?
Dito na. Oo.
Hindi ba, what interests you to play the drums?
Nanonood ako ng banda, tinanong ko, magkano kinikita nyo? Kasi sa Daly City, maraming mga Pinoy clubs doon before. Back then, di ba? Like 5, Casa Manila,
ano pa?
Solitas, Banawe.
I remember Solitas,
That was the time when Daly City was, marami pa rin.
Hindi, kasi remember in the 90s, usong-uso yan. Yung mga kapanahunan natin.
So I used to watch kasi, and then sabi ko, tinanong ko yung isang, magkano kita nyo? We get paid $50 a night. Uy, pwede yun
$50 lang?
Oo nga, pero bakit sa akin, pang grocery ko na kasi yun eh. Di ba? So kami,
$50 back then is a lot of money.
So diba? Alam mo naman, nung una, medyo tayo. So sabi ko kay sa wife ko, gusto ko yata mag-dance, $50 pang grocery din yan, pang Island Pacific din yan.
Pero sino nagturo sa'yo? Did you go to drum school?
Self-taught, tsaka nagpunta ako sa drum school a little bit. Oo. Tapos yun na.
Mahirap ba mag-play ng drums?
Hindi naman. Everybody has beat naman. Everybody has their own metronome. You just need to kind of like, practice mo lang.
Hindi. Paano mo like that?
Oh, no.
How do you do that?
Basta count mo lang 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you go from there.
1 and 2, 3 and
4. Parang ganun lang siya.
Paano mo yung mga rockista, yung mga rockers?
Siyempre, unang-una talaga you start from the garage. Diba? Mga garage lang, and then you improve yourself, you meet other musicians and you improve, and then that's what happens. And then it becomes still a hobby, pero then andyan na, pag gumagaling ka na, medyo natututo ka na, medyo nagkakaroon na ng konting tightness sa banda, and then that's when you said, okay, let's play, let's see. And naman, so laki na naman from 17 hanggang ngayon, I'm still playing, and then maski pa paano.
So I mean, a gift ba yan to have like talent for music?
I wouldn't say
ako mahilig ako makinig ng music, pero wala akong gift to
play.
Hindi,
everybody has their own music gift naman. You just kind of like, push yourself to learn, like playing guitar, anything naman mapapag-aaralan eh.
Hindi, kasi katulad nung anak ko, yung bunso kong anak. During pandemic, he learned how to play guitar and piano.
You play piano, di ba? You play piano.
Nung maliit ako.
I heard you nung sa open house, nagpi-play ka ng piano eh.
Nung maliit ako, I used to play.
See, you learn that. You just keep learning and keep learning and keep learning. Yun ang yung gagawin mo. Just keep practicing, keep learning, and become better.
Okay, so how does it feel when you play, your drums? I mean, is it like an outlet or para
it is an outlet, therapeutic as well.
Therapeutic.
Pero parang lang sa akin, parang me riding a motorcycle as well. Pag nag-play ka ng drums, you just forget about everything. It's all about the music, you and the beat.
Ganun pala.
Parang ganun lang.
Paano kayo nagkakasabay-sabay?
Ayun, and siyempre,
practice.
You need to practice. Hindi naman kami perfect, di ba? Pero you just need to practice, a lot of practice, and a lot of kumbaga ba, again, never-ending learning then. Learn the songs.
Oo nga. Sina Lilian at Joel, yung buong family nila, kumakanta at nagpe-play ng music, no? That's a good, good way to bond together as a family.
Minsan, pag nagpa-practice kami, pupunta sila Manny, pupunta na yung mga kaibigan, have fun din.
That's good. Uy, si Lilian nga, may sakit nung
may sakit siya nung hindi siya nakakanta.
Kaya paos. Hindi ko ba rin siya
konti lang,
paos yung boses niya.
Medyo paos ng konti.
Papagaling pa lang siya actually.
Pero okay naman, good job with Si kay Marie and our singer si
Mark. Yung mag-asawang yung galing kumanta.
Oo, tsaka mabait na mga yan.
Oo nga, sinabi mo.
Yes,
so,
yan na.
Anyway, I mean, I'm glad that you guys, Brenna Way, was able to play at the Velasco Team Client Appreciation event. So again, for everyone, any of my our clients, next year, save the date, May 2nd, 2025 at Tilted Mass. Same time from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. And of course, all our friends and family that referred business are also invited. Pero invitation only lang.
Correct. And this is going to be much more bigger, guys. Remember, ang price, baka nga nyo.
Ikaw magdodonate, DYB.
By the way, thank you so much, Elizabeth, for inviting us, for inviting me, and the whole band. I appreciate you.
Thank you so much also for always supporting the Velasco team.
For sure.
Anyway, until next time, thank you so much for, tuning in at
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate. Please subscribe and follow us.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.